Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a password to your document on the Pages application, meaning that you will need to type it in each time you want to open your document. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the browse icon down below and click on my iPhone. Tap on one of your documents. Click on the three dots icon at the top of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap on Set Password. Here you should type in your password. Verify it by typing it again and add a hint which will help you to remember your password if you cannot remember it, but it's totally optional. So after typing in your password, tap on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen. So now if you go back, you will be able to see that this is now locked. So if you tap on it, you will be required to use your fingerprint to open this document, or if it's not an option for you, then you can type in your set password as well. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.